numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2, 1 over 2, if we only add 1 to the denominator. So what is the fractions? Okay, so let us see. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and the denominator be y. So the fraction is x by y. Fraction is x by y. Then we add 1 to the numerator. So according to question, we add 1 to the numerator. X plus 1 by what? Subtract 1 from the denominator. Y minus 1. Then the fraction reduces to 1 is equal to 1. That implies x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. That implies x minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. That implies x minus y is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. Now come to the next part. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So we have to add 1 to the denominator. So x by y plus 1 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That implies 2x is equal to y plus 1. That implies 2x minus y is equal to 1. Equation 2. Now we have equation 1 and equation 2. So now we will solve this by the method of elimination. Okay. So now here minus y, here minus y. So y will be cancelled. Without multiplying any non-zero constant factor, we can cancel by addition or subtraction. You know, same sign, subtraction. Different sign, addition, or opposite sign, addition. So now see, equation 1, x minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation 2 implies 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we will get what we will get. So subtracting minus plus minus. So y cancel. Now here x minus 2x is minus x is equal to minus 3. That implies x is equal to 3. Minus cancel. X is equal to 3. Now we have to find out the value of y. So now here putting the value of x in equation 1, we will get what we will get. X is here 3, so 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. That implies y is equal to 3 plus 2. That implies y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Therefore, the fraction is x by y is equal to, x is here how much? 3, y is 5, 3 by 5 is the required answer. So note it down. So with double I, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So, how old are Nuri and Sonu? So, let solution, let the present age of Nuri is X years and Sonu is Y years. So, present age of Nuri X, Sonu is Y years. 5 years ago, the age of Nuri was X minus 5 years. 5 years ago, the age of Sonu was Y minus 5 years. Okay. Now according to question, what is given? Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri X minus 5 thrice 3 times 3 into Y minus 5. That implies X minus 5 is equal to 3Y minus 15. 3Y minus 15. Okay, that implies X minus 3Y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. Minus 15 plus 5. That implies X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. Equation 1. Okay. Now, second, 10 years later, later means after. So, the age of Nuri will be how much? X plus 10 years. 10 years later, the age of Sonu will be Y plus 10 years. Okay. But according to question, what is given? Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri X plus 10 is equal to 2 into Y plus 10. Twice as old as Sonu. That implies X plus 10 is equal to 2Y plus 20. 2Y plus 20. That implies X minus 2Y is equal to 20 minus 10. That implies X minus 2Y is equal to 10. This is your equation 2. So now we have obtained the two equations. One is X minus 3Y. This is your equation. This is your another equation. Here we got these two equations. Here X is there. So we can eliminate X without multiplying any non-zero constant within the equations. So now see equation 1. What is equation 1? X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. Now equation 2, how much? X minus 2Y is equal to 10. Now same sign, x, same sign means subtraction. We will subtract. So equation 1 minus equation 2 implies minus plus minus. So x cancelled. This is your minus y is equal to minus 20. That implies y is equal to 20. Okay. Now we got y 20. Now we have to find out x. So putting the value of y, putting the value of y in equation 1, we will get equation 1. So equation 1 is x minus 3 y is how much into 20 is equal to minus 10. That implies x minus 60 is equal to minus 10. That implies x is equal to minus 10 plus 60. That implies x is equal to 50. Therefore, x, who is x? The present age of Nuri. Therefore, what to find out? How old are Nuri and Sanu? The present ages of Nuri and Sonu are, Nuri is how much x? 50 years and that is 20 years. 20 years respectively. So this is the required solution. Note it down.